Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Okay. Good evening, Kaushik sir. Good evening. So we are going to start very soon. So I hope you have attended the last session. Good evening, everyone. So let me know audio video clear है या नहीं. Whether the audio video is it clear or not. Okay, so let's start with today's session. We have also already conducted one more session about the same topic, that is what the solution of UGC NET December 2020 and May 2022 cycle. Correct. Now, today we are going to continue. Both clear? Thank you. So today we are going to continue with the same. In the previous session, we have solved all the comprehensive question and some direct question we have solved. So if you haven't checked that session, you can check. I will provide the link of that session into the description portion, so you can check that one. And today you can continue because all the questions are independent to each other. We have already solved the all related question, that is your comprehensive question. Correct. So let's start with today's session. Before starting the session, let me tell you about uh, just a minute. ओके, तो इसको कुछ चेंजेस किए थे, मैं पीडीएफ कन्वर्जन नहीं हो पाया था. सो लेट्स ओपन दिस वन. ओके. Yeah. So here I have my little introduction is here. So I am Rashmi Vishwakarma, working as a plus educator at Unacademy in anti-UGC NET set exam category. Before this, I have worked as an assistant professor. These are my academic qualification, and other than this, I have also published my research paper. Around 15 research paper I have published into the international and the national conferences. So you can follow me at this link at Unacademy. And other than this, currently there is an offer by Unacademy. If you are going to take subscription for 6 months, you will get 1 month extra. And if you are going to take the subscription of 12 months, you will get 2 months extra. And other than this, by using my referral code, that is what Rashmi 15, you could have additional discount of 10% on the subscription amount. So note down my referral code so that you can use if you want to take the subscription. That's it. गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग जिन्होंने अभी ज्वाइन किया। चलिए, सो एनी डाउट इन प्रीवियस सेशन? एनी डाउट? So in the last session, we have completed all the comprehensive question. That is what memory management and cavity question we have done. Other than this, we have solved some numerical as well. That was the direct question here. Now let's continue with the other numerical that we haven't solved. But if you have any doubt, you can ask. So this question we have solved already. This one we have solved, the last question of the session, and this one as well. Now, this is our today's question. So, what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? What they are saying, identify the correct order of following 5 levels of capability maturity model, that is called the CMM model, from lower to higher, to measure the maturity of an organization of software process: defined, optimized, initial, managed, or repeatable. You can answer your you can comment your answer. So what should be the correct sequence? This is very important topic. Every year, every 1 or 2 year, they ask this question in different format. कभी आपसे match the table पूछ लिया जाता है, कभी ordering पूछ लिया जाता है, and कभी directly आपसे definition पूछ लिया जाता है. So write down the concept of this numerical. It is very important. किसी ना किसी format में ये हमसे पूछा जाता है. Correct? So what will be the answer? B. B का meaning हुआ you have initialized, repeatable, and then you have defined, and then managed and optimized. Everyone agree? Everyone. So the correct sequence is C. Correct sequence is, yes, correct key. We have initialization. Okay, these are the 5 level of the CMM: initial, repeatable, defined, manage, and optimizing. Initial stage means there may not exist a plan, or it may be abandoned. We are planning to design a software और अभी तक आपने कोई प्लान नहीं बनाया है, और इट मे बी कि आपने प्लान बनाने के पहले ही अपना सॉफ्टवेयर अबेंड कर दिया. रिपीटेबल, there is a plan and people are stick to it. Plan has been defined now, so we are repeating it. It is repeatable. Then we have defined, the plan for the project comes from the template for the plan. Correct? And project, like we have given the everything schedule and everything has been given. Next is manage. The plan uses the process that can be measured quantitatively. Management comes with the quantity management. And optimizing, improving the quality and continuity. So this is what your 5 stages. Clear है? ये आपका 5 stage होगा. Yes, Babita ma'am, I can see your messages. Okay, now this is another question from software engineering. What should be the answer? What should be the answer? We have to match the table. This is the previous year question. We are solving from long time. So previous year question from GATE. Previous year question of GATE. Software process model, waterfall model, evolutionary model, component based model, or spiral model. Software can be developed incrementally. What it will be? Software can be developed incrementally. See, see, everyone see. Yes, software can be developed incrementally. It is a evolutionary model. It is a evolutionary model. Requirement comprise are inevitable. What it is? Requirement comprises are inevitable. That that cannot change. That cannot change is your waterfall. It is component based model, है ना? It is component based model. Explicit recognition of the risk. Spiral model is famous for the risk analysis, है ना? Spiral model is famous for the risk analysis and inflexible partitioning of the project stages. So we have fixed partitioning of the project stages, then it will be your waterfall model. ठीक है, ये आपका क्या बनेगा? Waterfall model. Okay, so answer will be C. Yes, C is the correct answer. Now, this is the question from TOC. What should be the answer? Very simple question. They are asking about the whether the given languages are not regular. We have to just find out which of the following languages are not regular. So L equal to 0, 1, power n and 0 k, where n is greater than k and k is greater than equal to 0. Is it regular? C power n, B power k, A power n plus k. Whether it is regular. And 0 power n and 1 power k, n is not equal to k. So if there is a comparison, we will say the language is not regular. The language is not regular. So here you can just check that thing whether we require the comparison or we have to just maintain the ordering. क्या हमको कंपैरिजन करना पड़ रहा है और वी हैव टू जस्ट मेंटेन द ऑर्डरिंग. सो वो आपको डिफाइन कर देगा कि वेदर इट इज अ रेगुलर लैंग्वेज और नॉट. ठीक है, सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? ए एंड सी, ए और बी, ए बी सी और बी सी. सी L1 0 power n, 0 1 power n and 0 power k, but the condition is given that n should be greater than k. N should be greater than k, meaning is that we have to do the comparison. So it is not regular. It is not regular. ये regular नहीं होगी. Is it clear? It will be not regular. Then we have C power n, B power k. It's okay, but A power n plus k. A power n plus k, meaning is that we have to compare the value of C, the value of A or number of A should be equal to number of C plus number of B. Number of C plus number of B. Again we require the comparison. Again आपको comparison की requirement है. That's why it is not a regular language. And the last one 0 power n 1 power k. इवन तो यदि देखने पर तो ये लगता है कि ये रेगुलर है, irregular है because the power of 0 and 1 is different, but again they have given the comparison and comparison is that n cannot be equal to k, n cannot be equal to k. So this is what not a regular language. Okay, it is not a regular language. Is it clear? Option A, B, C. No language is regular. A, B, C. No regular. No language is regular. No language is regular. Sorry. ठीक है. Next question we have this one. Solve this. We have learned about the imperative programming, object oriented programming, logic programming, and the functional programming. These are the type of programming. Babita ma'am, this one. Okay everyone, so let's continue. मैम इसमें कंपैरिजन है ना, we have C power and B power K. We will push C, then we will push B. But when we have to push A, we will pop B, we will pop C. Then only we can do the comparison whether the number of A, that is what n power K, is equal to number of C and number of B. तो ये आपका कंपैरिजन बन रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट अ रेगुलर लैंग्वेज. ये रेगुलर नहीं है, ये रेगुलर नहीं है ना. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिएगा एवरीवन. दिस इज द बेस्ड ऑन द प्रोग्रामिंग पैराडाइम. प्रोग्रामिंग पैराडाइम यूनिट 3. सो व्हाट इज द imperative programming? What is imperative programming, object oriented programming, logic programming, and the functional programming? It is declarative, clausal representation are there, and theorem proving. It is declarative, clausal representation, and the theorem proving is required. Side effect free, declarative, and expression evaluation. They are talking about the expression evaluation. मैं आपको हिंट बता देती हूँ, ठीक है. थ्योरम प्रूविंग, क्लॉजल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, इसमें आपका है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट डेटा टाइप एंड कमांड बेस्ड एंड द प्रोसीजरल. कमांड बेस्ड एंड द प्रोसीजरल, हर एक का डायरेक्ट मीनिंग दिया हुआ है. हर एक का डायरेक्ट मीनिंग दिया हुआ है. Imperative. Imperative means the procedural programming language is also called the imperative programming language. The procedural programming language is also called the procedural programming language. Now, object oriented, it is used for abstract data type. You create the classes, class create करते हैं, and then you create the object. So it is the abstract data type. Then logical. So we have to do the clause representation. We use propositional logic. We use the FOL, that's first order logic, and theorem proving. So it will be the logical programming. Clausal representation is what? Proposition logic, FOL, है ना? And next one is what? Functional. Functional, whenever they will talk about the mathematical expression, just like the R programming, it is a functional programming. So it is declarative and the expression evaluation is required for this. So answer will be, ये सारा मैंने पढ़ाया है, सी प्रोग्रामिंग में आपको पढ़ाया हुआ है, यूनिट नंबर 3 का ये टॉपिक है, ठीक है. तो फंक्शनल इज व्हाट? it is expression evaluation is required. Yes, चलिए the next topic. uh, okay, we will हाँ, we have to solve this one. Sorry, ये तो हो गया. Any doubt यहाँ? Any doubt? Is this यार? Okay, now solve this one. Is it visible? माइनस करूँ थोड़ा सा. हाँ, now is it visible? Very simple numerical. Very simple numerical. So let's solve this. ठीक है, सो दैट हमारा टाइम सेव हो जाए और हम मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पाए. सो हियर व्हाट इज द इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन द फॉलोइंग स्टूडेंट टेबल. ठीक है, स्टूडेंट कोर्स स्कीम इज गिवन. स्टूडेंट हैविंग द रोल नंबर, नेम एंड द कोर्स नंबर. कोर्स हैविंग द कोर्स नंबर, कोर्स नेम एंड द कैपेसिटी. रोल नंबर इज द प्राइमरी की. रोल नंबर इज द प्राइमरी की फॉर द स्टूडेंट and course number is the primary key for the course. The attribute course name is unique. This one is what? Unique. यानी कि it cannot contain the repeated value. Every tuple will be unique in the course name. Every course will be the unique. Then the number of record. The number of record and in course and student tables are 3 and 5. Number of records in course कितने हैं? नंबर ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स इन कोर्स एंड नंबर ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स इन स्टूडेंट टेबल. स्टूडेंट टेबल हैविंग द 5 रिकॉर्ड्स एंड नंबर ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स इन द कोर्स टेबल आर 3. इज इट करेक्ट? ठीक है, नाउ following relational algebra query where we are performing R is equal to cross product of student with course. Student with course लिखने का तरीका है, बात एक ही है. ठीक है, सो वी आर परफॉर्मिंग क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दैट. नाउ नंबर ऑफ टपल्स इन द कोर्स इज, number of tuples in the course is, it is given 3. number of tuples in student is 5. ठीक है, चलिए अभी आप देखिए आपको क्या क्या फाइंड आउट करना है. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, आप चाहे तो आंसर कर सकते हैं. so it is 3 and 5. degree of table R. Degree of table R. There are the 3 tuples in course and there are the 5 tuples in student. Since we are performing the Gaussian product, the degree of table R. The degree of table R means the number of attribute. ठीक है, number of attribute in the table R. So we have 3 attribute from the relation student. We have 3 attribute from the relation course name. So as a result of this, the number of attributes, जब आप इन दोनों को क्या करोगे, Gaussian प्रोडक्ट करोगे, so जो रिजल्ट बनेगा R, it will have roll number, it will have name, it will have course number as well, it will have again course number, and then it will have course name and capacity. So total number of attribute will represent the degree of R. So degree of R will become 6. Is it clear? Degree of R will become 6. Now the cardinality of R. Cardinality, the current allowed values into the column or the domain. So we have total 15 tuples will be there. So जो values होगी, ठीक है, it will be 15. ये आपका क्या बनेगा 15. Now foreign key for the relation student. You can see here foreign key. We have the course number. We have the course number in student relation and which is taking the reference of the course, that is the primary key of the कोर्स, दैट इज व्हाट कोर्स नंबर। तो कोर्स नंबर का रेफरेंस कौन ले रहा है? स्टूडेंट ले रहा है। सो कोर्स नंबर विल बिकम द फॉरेन की फॉर द स्टूडेंट, फॉरेन की फॉर द स्टूडेंट। नाउ व्हाट इज द फॉरेन की फॉर द कोर्स? सो देयर इज द प्योर एट्रीब्यूट, ये जो एट्रीब्यूट है ना कोर्स के, it does not taking reference of anyone, course number, course name and the capacity, so it will be nil, it will be nil. Is it clear? So yes, answer is D. Very good, Rashmi ma'am and Kaushik sir. Answer will be D. Answer will be D. Any doubt? This is the question from UGC Net 2020. This is the question of gate as well. Okay, ये gate का question भी है. So now what will be the answer? We have to find out which are the depth first traversal are of the above graph. Which are the depth first traversal of the above graph? DFS, valid DFS traversal. Is it visible? Okay. So now see, let me explain. है ना? How we can verify? Whenever there is a DFS traversal, we will always visit the neighbors. There will be no label by traversal. So here you can see A, A, then we have B, B के बाद आप जा रहे हो E पर. After E, we have G, yes, it is connected. Then we have H and we have F. So it is valid traversal. It will be valid traversal. Now see the second one. Second one is again A, then B. Then we have F. Yes, F is connected. It is valid. F and then E. E is not directly connected with F. E is not directly connected with F. So it is not a valid path. Number 2 is not a valid path. So option 2 is eliminated. Now we have option 3. Whether it is valid or not. Whether it is valid or not. So we have A, B, F, sorry, A, B, F, H, and then we have G, and then E. Yes, all the nodes are traversed and it is all are connected. So it is valid. Now last one whether it is valid or not. So we have A, then F. Fast हो तो आप मुझे रोक सकते हैं. If I am teaching very fast, so you can say A, F, then we have G, then H, then we have B, and then we have E. So yes, all nodes are connected. So it is also valid. So answer will be 1 is valid, 3 is valid, and 4 is valid. So D is also eliminated, na? D is also eliminated. So answer is C. Is it clear? One more thing. We are also, actually I am also conducting practice session topic wise. So this is what daily session, and it is I am conducting on Unacademy free platform. So again we don't have any charges for that. You can attend it daily at 10:30 a.m. ठीक है, आप मॉर्निंग 10:30 a.m. पर इसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. चलिए. So but it is at the Unacademy free platform. You can join me by using the referral code Rashmi15. Okay भाई, चलिए. Option C is correct. Next we have very simple question. What will be the answer? Now I am expecting answer from your side. In software engineering, what kind of notation do formal methods predominantly use? What will be the answer? Everyone. What will be the answer? In software engineering, what kind of notation do the formal method predominantly use? Yes. Yes. It is mathematical notation. Very good. Very good. Now the next question. कुछ question तो direct थे. Okay. I will tell you how many questions were direct and how many were indirect. A transaction may be. I think this one we have solved already. A transaction A transaction may be in one of the following states during its execution of life cycle in concurrent execution environment. So, given a transaction in the active state during its execution, find the next transition state from the option given above. After current state is what? Current state is active. Current state is active. After the active, hello ma'am, I am good. आप कैसे हो? After the active state, what will be the next state? Is it failed? Is it terminated? Is it partially committed? Is it committed or active? It is already in active. तो active तो हो ही नहीं सकता next state, है ना? It is already in active state. So then what will be the next state? So answer will be either it is going to be failed or it is going to be partially committed. Either it is going to be failed or partially committed. So answer either A or C. Here you can see the diagram. After the active state, after the active state, a transaction may enter into the partially committed or the failed state. Very good. Very good, Ashima ma'am and Rashmi ma'am. Okay. So everyone, is it correct? Is it okay? Clear? Very good, sir. Yeah. Okay, now again a simple question. Again a simple question. Let me know the answer. You can download the PDF. I will provide the PDF in the link for the PDF in the description box. In the context of the software configuration management (SCM), what kind of the file should be committed to your source control repository? Do I need to maintain the record of code file? Do I need to maintain the record for the document file? Do I need to maintain the record of output file? Or do I need to maintain the record of automatically generated files that are required for your system to be used? So if I am what it is a repository, na? Just like the GitHub and all. Software configuration management is what? It is the software repositories, source control repository. So we just need to maintain here. We just need to maintain here the code files and the documentation file. We just need to maintain two files. Output file will be generated when I will execute the code. Automatically generated file obviously generated when I will execute the code. So I just need to maintain code files and documentation file. Just need to maintain code file and the documentation file. Is it correct? So answer will be A. Very good. Answer will be A. Now the next question. Yes. How many can solve this one? How many of you can solve this one? Suppose a B plus tree is used for indexing in database file. Consider the following information. Ma'am, you are a software engineer. SCM तो वही है ना, सॉफ्टवेयर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मैनेजमेंट दैट इज व्हाट आप लोग गिटहब वगैरह जो यूज करते हो टू टू मेक द शेयरेबल कॉपी, और वहां पर आप जो मल्टीपल लोकेशन से साथ में काम कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट योर एससीएम टूल्स ना, गिटहब का कॉन्सेप्ट है. आई विल टेल यू इन द क्लासरूम, ठीक है, डिटेल में. आप थोड़ा सा मिस कर रहे हो, कॉन्सेप्ट वही है. वी आर मेंटेनिंग द shareable files that is going to be shared with between the developer, so that they can work on the same project from the different location, and whenever they are going to update the code, it is going to be reflected, and every time we maintain the code file and the documentation that is associated with that, है ना. बता दें इसको, चलिए इसको बता देते हैं. सो सपोज, देखिए, पहले क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं, देन आई विल गिव यू द फॉर्मूला, उसको लिख लेंगे, एंड अपने जो नोट्स हैं, आप जो भी चार्ट बनाकर रखे हो वहां पर आप पेस्ट कर लेंगे और उसको याद रखेंगे. करेक्ट. सो सपोज a B plus tree is used for indexing the database file. Consider the following information. The size of the search key field is 10 byte. The size of the search key field is 10 byte. The block size is 1024 byte. And the size of the record pointer is 9 byte. And size of the block pointer is 8 byte. Size of the block pointer is 8 bytes. Now, they can ask the two type of question. The first type, calculate the order of internal node. Calculate the order of internal node and calculate the order of external node. Calculate the order of external node. So L be the order of leaf node. External node और the leaf node is same thing. So इस सिंगल क्वेश्चन में आपसे दोनों चीजें पूछी गई हैं. कई बार सेपरेट क्वेश्चन दे सकते थे. Calculate the order of internal node. Calculate the order of leaf node. Correct. So here I have a formula. I have two formula. Whenever they are asking for the internal node, is it visible? ये formula आपने लिखना है, ठीक है. ये formula आप लिख लीजिए, अभी अभी note down कर लीजिए. So for internal node, K is what? The order that we have to calculate into the block pointer plus K minus B, K minus 1 into key field less than equal to block size. This is the formula that we use if we want to calculate order of internal node. But if we want to calculate the order of leaf node, if we want to calculate the order of leaf node, then we will use this formula. Okay. So what is the formula? K into the record pointer, K into record pointer plus key field plus block pointer is less than equal to the block size. Is less than equal to the block size. So have you write down? लिख लिया आपने? So देखिए, how to use this? How to use this? What information is given? ठीक है, क्या क्या information आपको given है? Key field is given. It is of 10 byte. Then block size is given 104 byte. And then we have record pointer is given. It is 9 byte. And block pointer is given. It is 8 byte. So for internal node, just put the value. What is the formula for internal node? K into block pointer plus K minus 1 into K field should be less than equal to the block size. So what is K we have to calculate? Then what is the size of block pointer? Now visible? What is the size of block pointer? Block pointer is given 8 byte. 8 byte plus K minus 1. K minus 1 as it is. What is the KF? That is what the key field of 10 byte. it should be less than 1024. It should be less than 1024. So 8k plus 10k minus 1 should be less than 10, ये 10 हो जाएगा ना, 10 1024, और you can say 18k should be less than equal to 1024 plus 10, और 18k should be less than 1034, और k should be less than, we will have, ठीक है, आप इसको कैलकुलेट करना, what will be the result, ठीक है, it will be approximately, yes, very good. आप एक काम करना, यू आर वॉचिंग लाइव, बट आप स्क्रॉल कर लो लास्ट तक, ठीक है, समटाइम जो डिस्प्ले होता है वो बाद में होता है, सो हमारा कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉपर नहीं हो पाता, सो आप अपने जो स्क्रॉलर है उसको लास्ट तक स्क्रॉल कर लीजिए, सो यू विल बी लाइव, लाइक आपको कंटिन्यूस स्ट्रीमिंग मिलेगा। सो 1034 डिवाइडेड बाय 18, दिस इज व्हाट, इसका जो भी रिजल्ट आता है, I think it will be approximately 57 something, na? It will be approximately 57 something. 57 something will be there. Okay. So it will be less than 57. So answer of K will be 57. 57.4. Yes. So ये 57 आपका आंसर बनेगा. Now other than this, ठीक है, for the second one, यही कर लेती हूँ, थोड़ा सा font size छोटा रहेगा. Okay. What is the formula for external load? You can solve this one, ठीक है, लीफ लोड के लिए या एक्सटर्नल लोड के लिए we have the formula, let me check, yes, we have the formula K into record pointer plus key field plus block pointer is less than equal to block size, less than equal to block size. So again K we have to find, record pointer is 9 byte, key field is 10 byte, plus block pointer is given 8 byte, is less than equal to 1024. So it will become 9k, sorry, it will become 19k. 19k plus 8 is less than equal to 1024, or 19k is less than equal to 1016, and you can calculate the value. K is approximately 53 point something, so answer of K will be 53, ठीक है, K क्या बन जाएगा आपका 53. I hope you can solve now this type of question. Okay, now the next question, this is for the, again the order of the leaf node for B plus tree. Again we have to calculate the order of the leaf node for B plus tree. The maximum number of value data record pointer, the pair it can hold. Given that the block size is 1k byte, data record is 7 byte, and the value of field is 9 byte, and the block pointer is 6 byte. Can you solve this? Again we have to apply the same formula. Again we have to apply same formula. This is the homework. Solve it and write down answer into the comment box. Now this is the next question. It is again the previous year question from GATE CSE 2013. GATE CSE 2013. Given below are the two statements. Given below are the two statements. The statement 1, in an undirected graph, everything is given, ma'am. The number of odd degree vertices is even. True or false? In undirected graph, the number of odd degree vertices is even. True or false? Yes, this is the true statement. The number of odd degree vertices is even. Yes, it is true. In undirected graph, the sum of degree of all vertices is even. Yes, it is also true. So both the statement 1 and 2 are true. Both the statement 1 and 2 are true. Now, this is the direct question. Okay. So the two balanced binary search tree. We have two balanced binary tree are given with the length m and n. Binary tree है. They can be merged into the balanced binary search tree. We have balanced tree, meaning is that they are sorted as well, they are well arranged as well. So how much time is required to merge them? So it will be simply order of m plus n. M number of element are going to merge with n number of element, because we have to again make the balanced tree. Balanced tree. Got it? So it will be order of m plus n. Now, this is for you. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Given below, given below are the two statements. The family of context-free languages closed under the homomorphism. The family of context-free language is closed under the homomorphism, and the family of context-free language is closed under the reversal. I will provide you link for this PDF as well. You can join me in my Telegram group. So at there you can find the link for this. आप मुझे टेलीग्राम चैनल पर भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. ठीक है. So there you will have this PDF as well. The Telegram channel name is Target Net JRF CSE. Now what is the both statement are true again? Both statement are true or false? Both statement are true again. The family of context-free language is closed under homomorphism, and the family of context-free language is closed under the reversal. We have to just remember that CFL is not closed under the intersection and complementation. We have to just remember this thing. Otherwise, for all other property, it is closed. Regular language is closed under all the property. DCFL is closed just under the two properties, that is what inverse homomorphism and the complementation. CFL is not closed under the intersection and complementation. CSL is not closed under the homomorphism only. Recursive language are not closed under the these two only. ठीक है, तो सिर्फ इतना ही याद रखिए, homomorphism and we have substitution, epsilon free substitution, and recursively enumerable language is not closed under the complementation. So बस इतना सा टेबल समरी मैंने आपको बता दिया. Next question. This is the previous year question. This is the previous year question of GATE and NET both. From the so in file allocation system, the following allocation schemes are used: contiguous allocation, indexed allocation, and linked allocation. Which of the allocation scheme given above will suffer from the external fragmentation? Which of these schemes will suffer from the external fragmentation? What will be your answer? Yes. Which of will not suffer? Yes. B and C. B and C. Contiguous memory allocation is always suffer from external fragmentation, but indexed and linked allocation never suffer from the external fragmentation. So answer is B and C. Not पूछा है ना, not suffer from the external fragmentation. So answer indexed and linked allocation. Indexed and linked allocation. We have also solved all the topic wise question of operating system. Tomorrow I will provide that link for all those session on यूट्यूब एज वेल. बट जो सेशन है वो मैंने कंडक्ट किए हैं किस पर? अनअकैडमी पर. सो यू हैव टू चेक द सेशन ओवर द अनअकैडमी. करेक्ट. आई विल प्रोवाइड द link in a video so you can check there. This is again a simple question and this is going to be last question because I have a meeting with the team. So next week continue करते हैं. Around 20 question we have solved, है ना? So a software developer do not exhaustive software testing, do not do, do not do exhaustive software testing in practice. Even for the small input, exhaustive testing too computationally intensive. It takes too long to run all the tests. So what they are saying, कि A is false but R is true. A is true but R is false. Both statements are true. Both statements are true. Now, both A and R true, both A and R true. R is the correct explanation of A or R is not the correct explanation of A. So, what will be the answer? A correct explanation है या नहीं? ए का ए बोला क्या गया है? सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर डू नॉट डू द एग्जॉस्टिव सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग इन प्रैक्टिस because even for the small input, exhaustive testing take too computationally intensive to run all the tests. Yes, this is the correct explanation as well. So answer is C. Answer is C. The last question जल्दी से आंसर करिए and then we will end the session. Which agent deals with the happy and unhappy state so that we can happily end with this session? Happy and unhappy state, goal based agent, learning agent, model based agent or the utility agent? Model based, utility, learning, goal based. यस, यूटिलिटी बेस्ड एजेंट, यूटिलिटी बेस्ड एजेंट। तो इस क्वेश्चन को नोट डाउन करिए, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे विद दिस। ठीक है, ओके, चलिए। सो नेक्स्ट क्लास विल बी ऑन ट्यूसडे, next Wednesday will be on next Wednesday, and tomorrow morning we have the practice session on functional dependency and normalization at 10:30 a.m. So be there at Unacademy free platform. Okay, everyone. Any doubt in today's session? Any doubt? हाँ मैम, वही पीडीएफ है लास्ट वीक वाला, जो लास्ट वीक शेयर किया था, बट स्टिल आई विल शेयर अगेन। एंड जो ये यूट्यूब की लिंक है, इसमें भी मैं दे दूंगी लिंक। ये सारे हैं मैम। Any other doubt? Okay, thank you everyone. Good night. Take care. Be there tomorrow at morning at यहाँ तो गुड नाइट लिखती हूँ, मॉर्निंग एट 10:30 a.m. थैंक यू, थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम, थैंक यू एवरीवन।